How to add payment methods on Amazon. Want to add a new card? This guide shows you how to add payment methods on Amazon so you can pay for your orders. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your account and go to your account settings right here. You'll see a lot of options like your orders, your addresses, and your payments. In your account menu, tap on Payment Options. Go in the search bar and type payment method and search for it. This will come up, so tap on it. This will open a new page where you can see all your saved payments methods. Tap on Add Payment Method to add a new card. You'll need to enter your card number, expiration date, and billing address. You can also save the card for future use. Once you've entered all the details, tap on Add Your Card or Save button to save the card. You can now use the card to pay for your orders. You now know how to add payment methods on Amazon. Get ready to pay for your orders. Like and subscribe for more app tips.